Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's Super Simple Sunday, and I'm going to show you how to make money from your scraps or how to make something to gift. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends, longtime subscribers, and new friends. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and y'all, I have a case of the scraps. You saw me use this particular paper combo in 2 recent videos. Well, it generated a lot of scraps, and we're going to use those scraps today. And y'all, I am not Rumpelstiltskin, but I am going to show you how you can take your paper and spin it into cash. So we're going to take these scraps and we're going to turn them into something awesome. So it's going to be giftable, sellable, keepable, whatever you want to do with it. I'll give you a closer look at what we're going to make in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at some of the scraps that I had left over from making the large clipboards and using those Junior Legal notepads to make the 6 skinnies. And as most of you know, 95% of the paper crafts that we do will generate some type of scrap. So we're going to take our scraps and we're going to turn them into these sweet little 3x3 note cards and envelope, and we're going to package them so that you can sell them on your Etsy, you can sell them at your craft fair, you can sell them to people at work, sell them on any social media site that you want, or you can keep these for yourself, or they can be a gift. So let's just go through. I need my larger pieces, so I am going to go through and grab 2 of the larger pieces, but as you can see, I have these pieces and these pieces. These are great for pockets and journals or notebooks, whatever you might be making, scrapbooks. Save pieces like this because these little triangles can just be tucked into a corner and turned into a nice little tuckable for something that you might want to add to your project. So I'm going to take these and just move them to the side, not throwing them away because I can see some possibilities with quite a few of these. So I'm just going to set those over there. I'm going to grab my trimmer and I'm going to trim this to 3 inches. Then I'm going to take it and trim it down to 6. So you can see that this was not a 12-inch piece. I have a smaller piece left that will go into my scrap stash. I'm going to take this 3x6-inch piece, and on the 6-inch side we're going to score it at 3. Then we can fold it, and now we have a card. So we're going to go ahead and do the envelope, and I am going to trim on the long-inch side. We're going to trim this to 8. So my envelope measures 4 by 8. So I am going to score this at 3/8 of an inch, rotate it, score it at 3/8 of an inch on the 4-inch side. So I scored at 3/8 of an inch on the 4-inch side. I rotated it to the opposite 4 and scored at 3/8 of an inch again. Then we'll turn it to the 8-inch side. We're going to score at 3 and 6 1/8. And then we're simply going to fold and burnish all of our scores. I'm going to bring my card back in and we're going to go ahead and make the card. I've already pre-cut 2 2.5 by 2.5 inch squares that I'll be placing on the inside, and I'm going to place that down using tape. So I'm going to take my tape runner, add some tape, place 1 piece here. That'll give us some writing space. And then I'll place some more. And now we have nice writing space on the inside. I took this flower from a sticker sheet. I'm going to place it right there. And so now the inside is ready for a note. Let's fold it. On the outside, I have these nice little rainbow stickers that I'm simply going to use as some very mild decoration. I'm going to keep these very simple because we don't always have to do a whole lot. And the way that I'm removing the sticker sheet from the back is I took a piece of double-sided tape and attached it to the back. And now when I pull, it will pull away the backer sheet for me because the backer sheet was cut completely even with this rainbow. So I would have had a very difficult time just trying to peel it freehand. So I'm going to place that right there. And there is a very simple card. So now I'm going to take my envelope, and the first thing that we're going to do is free the center panels on this. So I'll go to the score mark and angle, go to this score mark, angle, and you can see that I freed that center tab. We're going to do the same thing over here. So we have both of these freed now. So now all we need to do is we're going to cut down to remove these pieces. And I'm going in at a slight angle as I do it. And then we'll do the same thing here at the top. And then I'll take my scissors and I'm just going to round the top and the bottom because I think it looks better. So now we're going to take this, make sure we have it folded in. I'll use my glue. I'm going to place a little bit of glue there and a little bit of glue there. Then I'm going to place glue on the bottom. Now I can fold that up and get it nice and stuck. And y'all, that's how easy it is to make our own envelope for a 3x3 card. Now I'm going to take that 3x3 card and tuck it in the envelope. How simple was that? And so if you want to seal your envelope or add a sealer to the envelope, you can just take some double-sided tape, your thinnest, and place it right there at the top. Doesn't require a whole lot. You can just cut off or tear off a piece this size and place it right there so that it's not a distraction. I'm not placing anything on mine just yet. So now we can have a look at our beautiful 2-piece 3x3 note card set with matching envelopes. You can put as many of these in a set as you like, but this is a very well coordinated way to use up some of your scraps and to turn those scraps into cash because this is very sellable. Everybody wants a 3x3 note card. Everybody wants a note card with envelopes, and that's what you'll be providing. So let me show you a very quick and easy way to package these. So all I'm going to do is take this one and place my card on top. Take this one and place the card on top. I'm going to grab one of my little 4x6 cellophane bags, and I have placed the cards together with the card on the front, the card on the back. So when you look at it from the front and the back, you will see what you're actually getting. So then I'm just going to take these and place them in my little baggie. Seal the baggie like that. I am going to leave myself a little bit of space here at the top. Instead of bringing this all the way down to the bottom, I left myself just a little bit of clear space right here. So now I'm going to take this piece of scrap that I had left over, and I'm just going to reduce it in size just a little bit. I think I'm going to reduce it to 4.5. And then on the 4.5-inch side, I'm going to score at 2.25. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And now we're able to take it and put it on our baggie just like this. And to place mine down, all I'm going to do is take my tape runner I'm going to add some tape in different spots, especially close to the edge. So now I'm going to take it, place it down, and I just want to make sure that I have some clear space showing. And then when I fold it over, I have a nice little package like this. And so now I'm just going to take my little punch and punch. So if I wanted to hang these, I now have a nice hanger opening, making it easy for people to flip through and see what I might have to offer. And then the last thing that I'm going to add just for decoration is this little flower. We're going to place that flower right there. And now we've taken scraps and we've turned them into something functional, useful, and beautiful. Front and back, you're able to see what it is that you're getting. So, gift, keep, or sell, totally up to you, but this packaging idea is so professional and high-end looking. That is the way that we want to present when we're doing a craft fair. We want to make sure that everything looks appealing to the eye. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this awesome way to repurpose those scraps and to make a little money on them as well. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.